D, at the end of the day, people have our emotions, people handle emotions and this thing differently and feelings differently. You handle yours differently from how I handle mine.
Yeah.
We're both like, even the boundaries part, I made it really clear. And I was like, I made it really clear that, okay, first things first, whenever I'm talking to Dede, I don't appreciate anyone pulling me because I want people to respect my privacy, and everyone understood that. But I feel like you did not do your own boundaries part too as well.
When was that? This has been going on for so long. I just want it to be wrapped up. Wrap it up. What's happening?
She knows what she's doing. That's what I know.
I told her I even told her she's the best game player. I told her to her face. She's like, how? I was like, don't act so dumb, please. She said, what do you mean? I was like, you're the best game player here so far. Because you're actually playing a game. Like, do you get what I mean? Like, even if it doesn't look that way, you will not want to put yourself in a position that it can possibly look that way.
And if you feel like everybody's looking at you, that you guys kiss, how about explaining to me and telling me how far? It doesn't look like that.
Why do you expect me to come and meet you?
To verify.
But she was like, oh, then first she was like, oh, but by the way, you've kissed somebody now. I said, that is the reason why I didn't want to come and meet you, because coming to meet you, if it is like, but Kola, what the fuck are you coming to? Even if it happens, like, what the fuck are you coming to meet me for? You've already kissed somebody in the house. Because I'm not going to hear the last of it. She always brings it up all the time.
I just remember that you even kissed somebody in the house. I beg.
Not bright too.
So you don't even kiss somebody in the vex. You're not supposed to be vex.
That's why I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do because my man was feeling
you
like...
said
You know, say she talked that in that
Sis,
day. Let's say she talked that in that day.
Kola, come and give me a kiss. Kola just come.
I was really paused. First of all, she said, Kola, come and give me a kiss. Let me reiterate. Because you won't think about you, nigga. You're gonna be a fucking bitch ass nigga. What happened, yo? She was saying that she's missing Kaikumi and all of that, and that she just wants to kiss, that she's missing kiss.
What did I say?
Can you relax?